See there? That's the part right there that came off. Let's see. It came off. And I happen to have some crazy glue here. So I'm going to put that back in. See? This side started to come off too. That's the tricky thing about getting some of those off. And I installed those about 6-7 years ago. Okay. So before I get ready to reinstall that, see, I'll replace that, and then that gives me the little bit of where the screw's going to go. Okay, you put the screw, the big holes are for the screw head to fit over, and then you turn it and then tighten it down. Okay, and let's I'm going to leave the camera right there for a second. I'm going to get this smoke alarm and tell you a couple things, just a couple things about it. Let's see when it was installed, and lots of times they'll do this. And see, I wrote down here, replaced by October 2028, and I installed it. Day of install 10/30. 2018. So these are designed to last for 10 hours, 10 years, the lithium ones. Okay, and I installed it 10/30/18, and on every single one you should see the date on here. And if you don't have something like this, you want to know how old your smoke alarms are, pull your smoke alarm down and look at it, and you see right there 2018, March 9th, 2018. You see that? Right there. 2018. So in a sense, see, and I put these up a couple days after I purchased them. Okay? Which means, and I installed it in October 30th of 18. But yet it was built and manufactured in March of 18. So it was sitting through transport and on shelves in a warehouse and on Home Depot shelves from March until October, the end of October. Okay, so just because I installed it in October, the end of October, I really want to look, I should have looked at this down here, March of 2028. And I wrote down replaced by October 2028. Do you see what I mean? So I'm 6 months, I'm it's like 6 months off or so. And I've got a ways to go, so I'm all right. But that's how you can check it. Because it's important to know how old those are, because even though that's a lithium battery backup hardwired smoke alarm, 10 years, and you think, okay, if it's over 10 years, I'll just keep using it. Well, the lithium ones, they usually will start beeping. In fact, I've had a 10-year lithium one just like that beep after 8.5 years, not 10 years. And once something happens, once something goes on that, you can't fix your lithium ones. The lithium battery is part of that whole thing. It's not like an alkaline battery that you can take a 9-volt alkaline battery out of one, put another one in every 6 months, every year, or something like that. And incidentally, those, even though you're supposed to do that each year for those, and you should replace them after 10 years. I read the manufacturer's stuff on one of them, and it led me to believe, and I think it's true, that even if you have a smoke alarm that's beyond 10 years, and if it's working, don't kid yourself. If you have a fire and you got smoke damage and you got inspectors and insurance inspectors and guys picking through everything, they'll find out how old that smoke alarm is. And if it's beyond 10 years, I don't know if they'll cover your insurance damage. Don't quote me on that, but check it out for yourself. Do some little investigating. Call the manufacturer of your smoke alarm. Call your insurance company, your homeowner's insurance, and ask them. Ask somebody there at your insurance company. Hey, are my smoke alarm good after 10 years from the date of the purchase, no matter what type of smoke alarm? See what they say. I think they're going to tell you after 10 years you need to replace them. Okay, so now I'm going to get up there and we're going to undo those wires and also talk about the red wires. What are those for? Well, I can cross that one off my list. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.